Hello everyone, this is Vandita. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to tell you about this pattern. With this pattern you can make shrugs. This is a shrug pattern. This is very beautiful pattern for the shrug. This is super fast going and very easy pattern. This is not reversible, but you can see the back side also. This is the front side. Okay, I have used a 3-ply wool for this sample. So in this video I am taking this 4-ply wool for the sample only, and with this I am using this 2.5 mm crochet hook. So let's begin our video. We will start to make a slip knot, or you can start like this also. Now start to make foundation chain. I am making 20 chains for this sample. Make 20 chains and one more chain extra for the starting. Now skip very first chain, and from the second chain we will start our pattern, and in second chain make 1 double crochet. After this make 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3, and now skip 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3. In fourth chain make half double crochet, second half double crochet in the same chain, third half double crochet in the same chain, and the last and the fourth one half double crochet in the same chain. So I have made 4 half double crochet in the same chain. Take yarn over the hook from the all loops like this. So this is our first stitch. Now make 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3, and skip 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3. In fourth chain make 1 double crochet like this. Again make 3 chains, skip 3 chains. In fourth chain make 4 half double crochets, 1, 2, 3 and 4. After 4 take yarn over the hook from the all loops like this. And again make 3 chains, skip 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3. In fourth chain make 1 double crochet, and we are repeating the same pattern. 3 chains, skip 3 chains and 1 double crochet in the last. Chain 1, and here my first round is completed. Now I'm just making a sample for the video. Okay, so you can make 26 chains for one more stitch for this here. Okay, so in starting and in last we should have only 1 double crochet for the end and the starting. For the second round, turn over, make 1 double crochet in the first chain. Now make 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3, and into this double crochet we will make 1 alpine stitch like this. Now 3 chains in the middle of this fan. From here into this space again make 4 half double crochets fan in the same space, and take yarn over the hook into the all loops like this. Now 3 chains, again 1 alpine stitch, like this, 3 chains, and again 4 half double crochets fan into the middle of this fan. 1, 2, 3 and 4, like this, 3 chains and 1 double crochet in the last of this round. Chain 1. Like this, our second round is completed now. Like this, we will repeat our pattern for the third round. First double crochet in the first chain, three chains, 4 half double crochets fan in the middle of this fan, like this, make 3 chains, and now this time we will make alpine stitch from the back side. In last round we made from the front side. Now we will make from the back side like this. Three chains, 4 half double crochets fan in the middle of this fan, 3 and 4, make 3 chains and make alpine stitch from the back side of this double crochet like this. 3 chains, 1 double crochet in the last of this round, make 1 chain and turn over. So like this we will complete our pattern, and this will look like this. I hope you like this video, so please don't forget to give a like my video and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you. Keep watching.